The days of ignoring social media are long gone, and that goes for any size business. We use social platforms to connect you with your audience, build your brand, increase sales, and drive website traffic. Your shop needs social media marketing because your customers are already there.
80% of consumers prefer to interact with the brand through Facebook or Instagram. You'll benefit from connecting and engaging with customers where they already interact and spend most of their time online. A social media presence also boosts word-of-mouth marketing. Being on these social media platforms extends the reach of your content and offers a valuable communication platform with your customers. This nurtures loyalty, builds new leads, and creates stronger relationships. If all of these reasons are not enough, it's also important because it affects your overall online presence and reputation.
What's that mean exactly?
Search engines like Google are looking at your activity across the web to determine if you're a reputable business, and that includes social media. Your social presence builds trust and loyalty with potential customers, especially since people are 51% more likely to buy after liking a brand on Facebook.
We provide you with content that proves your shop has what it takes. We craft content specifically for the automotive industry and post when your followers are the most active. We also highly recommend that you share personalized posts about your shop whenever possible.
Get in touch today so you can start hanging out with your audience.